Welcome back here, folks. Welcome back here. Just a quick recap on the morning trading session here at School of Trade. Our live trade room is open for trial members from 8 o'clock until 11:30 a.m. Monday through Friday. We will be working together all day today. I'll go ahead and post our schedule here for you. I also want to remind all the trial members that are here right now, there's a special welcome message for you. It's posted for you right on the blog, and I'll go ahead and I'll post that for you as well for all the guests. Don't be shy if you're a guest here right now. Speak up, ask questions. We got plenty of time to answer your questions. We are, in fact, one of the only trade rooms online that trades live accounts with real trade calls, real traders, and at the same time, we educate at the same time. It's truly the place to be, in my opinion, to learn. I would have killed a man to have this type of trade room when I was a new trader. A trader saying what he's seeing, educating at the same time, and at the same time providing real-time trade calls. And as you can see today, we've had just a great day here in the room. Over $1,000 in a very sleepy, sloppy Thursday morning. Boy, you can't complain about that, can you? Now, we get a really great clue on the Russell, and that's where we made most of our money today. I began on crude, though, kind of trying to test the waters on crude, and I began by selling on crude. Nothing in, nothing out on that one. Then tried to buy, made a little bit on it, not that much. The real money, though, we made today was on the Russell. We had that nice big 60-tick winner on the Russell. Now, before I go into the Russell details, let me show you what the clue was on crude that got me in short first. Well, here we are on crude oil, and here's an 89 range chart. Oh, and by the way, folks, anybody can go in and look at a time chart like this and look in hindsight. Why don't we go back to the morning prep? What did we talk about today at 8 o'clock about crude oil? And let's see if we planned ahead of this. Because again, anybody can go look at this and say, oh yeah, we were trying to go short. Of course we went short. Look where price went. Yeah, well, hindsight's 20/20. Let's look down at the prep here. And let's see what we said today at 8 a.m. And so we said here, to sell short with this 89 range wave pattern short and take profit at the previous low of day. Aha. So this was posted at 8 o'clock, 8:15 this morning, well before the trade we took. So once again, I'm not going to go ahead and cheat with some hindsight here. Got short for the first trade of the morning. Again, didn't make anything off of it. Has been a pretty rocky ride down. Here's what happened on crude. We had a bullish channel. You can kind of see the wave pattern if you look at it from a big picture standpoint, right? There's your retracement pattern. There's your wave pattern right there. So you're going to see here that I did try to enter short for the first trade of the morning. Definitely had the right idea. As you can see, we definitely had the right idea. And for all the guests out there, I see Theo, Morgan, Al. I am not going to forget about you guys. Don't you worry. Give me about a few minutes to finish the recap, and I'll be right with you for questions. Don't go anywhere. I'm not going to make you wait that much longer. So the sell side was the right side, but boy, something got under the skin here because you can see we had everybody on the run for about 5 minutes time. We thought we nailed this move going lower, but sure enough, didn't happen. We also found this bull channel, and the bull channel is the reason why I ended up getting long when it failed to go lower. Guys, we see this happen all the time. You find yourself a bull channel, you mark up that swing low, that becomes the support. We break out of the channel, try to sell below it. That didn't work. Okay, we'll buy the lows of the channel. So the short trade was because of our initial plan. And as you can see, the plan worked out just fine. Now, why didn't I get into this short on crude? Well, it was because I was a little bit distracted. I was distracted by the Russell. The Russell made it pretty darn easy for us. So even though we had a plan put together on crude, little bit sloppy, kind of challenging to get into that trade and stay in that trade, we nailed the direction. We had the plan posted well ahead of time, so all we had to do was go execute that plan. Guys, I hope you can see the value in that. This is a really important thing. If I can plan my trade before I go out and trade, it's going to give me confidence every single day that I trade. There's nothing more confidence building than to say, I'm going to sell short according to my plan, then I follow my plan, and I make money because of it. There's nothing more powerful than that. So that's why we love to come in early, do our formal prep. We post those right on the blog so everybody in the world can see what we're planning on doing that day. It adds credibility, transparency, and now you can see on your own time what we were doing. Well, the next few trades we took was the Russell. And it was easy to grab the Russell after seeing the sloppy personality on crude today, even though we did nail crude to the wall pretty well. Look at the Russell here, and what do you see? You see a price wedge. Now, once again, I know, Joe, you're cheating. This is hindsight, JJ. You can't use that. Let's go up and take a look at what we saw on the prep. Here was what we wrote today. And you can see here, once again, we are going to make a very accurate prediction on the blog. Once again, you can see here our day trading strategy. Look at this paragraph right here. Is to sell short down to the previous low of day as the previous high of day failed. All right, that was it. Our strategy was to sell short. Well, guess what? We also talked about a price reversal. If price moves lower to the previous low of day, we're going to buy the lows, right? So we not only called the short off the highs, but we called the buy off the lows. And you're going to see here, there's the wedge. The wedge was really easy to spot. We found that right away today. Another clue that we got was the inside day on the Russell. What does an inside day mean? An inside day means trade inside the range. And more specifically, we really did a good job by identifying the fact that we went above the previous high of day. When we go above the previous high of day and fail, look out below, right? Look out below. We talked about this in tremendous detail this morning. We knew exactly what we wanted to get done. All we had to do then was wait for the price to come to us. We traded with confidence, had a great job on this Russell. And you're going to see what happened here. We got into that Russell trade short just before the news at 10:30, which we don't really worry about, not gas news. A great example of how I used an adjusted second target at the lows of the wedge, and then I left a runner down at the previous low of day. We followed our plan correctly, didn't make any money on crude. Now, made a little bit, right? Made about 24 ticks on crude, but we made the money in the Russell. So as you can see, I'm going to follow my plan every step of the way. You're right. I'm not going to be perfect, and neither will you. Sometimes I see the perfect trigger, the perfect entry, the perfect everything, but the market doesn't want to help me out. Oh well, get over it. Follow my plan, because the next opportunity that I get might be that next winner. I have learned over the last 12 years of my career, if I follow this plan, I'm going to be just fine. So we lock up 60 ticks going down. I have an auto trail stop on there that locks up that 30 tick runner and won't give it back. And you'll see here we go down to the lows now, and we buy it. We buy the lows now. Another example of an adjusted second target, taking another 27 ticks out of it. So what's that? About 87 ticks, 86 ticks coming out of the Russell today. We made a handful of ticks off crude and totaled it up, guys, over $1,000 today. Every single one of these trades was called live. We followed our plan that was posted ahead of time. Transparency, guys, we kept it as simple as 1, 2, 3 this morning, finding the price structure, finding the pattern, finding the trigger. I think everybody had a great opportunity to learn a little bit today, to earn a little bit today, and I want to welcome all of the trial members to come out and join me as a member, as an advanced member. Now, our advanced course comes with everything I'm using here. You don't need to spend an extra dime on anything. I'm going to give you everything you need. I've designed this course to be a one-stop shop. When I was a brand new trader, I had to pay for this and pay for that and do this and go get that here. It was like a scavenger hunt getting my career set up, and it was challenging. In the last 12 years, I've learned a lot of tricks, and I plan on helping you guys become successful in a very short period of time by using these strategies. We've had an excellent day today. I'm going to keep on working hard with you guys. I've got a couple more minutes here to answer more questions before we close up shop for the trial guests and we go members only. Remember, we've had the best times of the day have been the afternoon sessions all week, and I don't see any reason why that won't continue. Next stop on the Russell is the previous low of day. We go below 808. We're looking short again on the Russell. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep tuned into the Russell here. It's going to be a great afternoon.